Moss Ledge Waterfall is a short but very rugged trail in Big Cottonwood Canyon. The trailhead is about a mile above the S-curve on the north side of the canyon. We needed micro spikes this time. Unfortunately, there was a lot less ice than I anticipated on the waterfall at the top of the hike. This trail is bad, even on a good day. Luckily, we had a beautiful sunny day for our hike. The entire trail was covered with snow and ice, which made things interesting, both on the way up, and more so, on the way back down the trail, that is, if you can call it, trail. We only encountered one other hiker on the trail, a young woman, who was hiking alone. It was interesting to look down, from above the waterfall, and the tall cliffs, on either side of the small stream, running below the falls. We saw a couple of big chunks of ice break off from the waterfall, while we were there. It felt like it was really warming up. It will be interesting to come back after it gets really cold and the entire waterfall freezes solid.